Okay, hello again, guys. So I'm currently on the Rhine Valley Tour. So
Am
it's
linken Ufer liegt der Ort Niederheimbach
One
mit
second,
der
please.
am Ende des 13. Jahrhunderts fertiggestellten Heimburg. Im Mittelalter war sie Sitz des Untergerichts der Mainzer Kurfürsten, später erfolgte der Ausbau zu privaten Wohnzwecken.
On the left bank are Niederheimbach and Heimburg Castle, finished at the end of the 13th century. It was the seat of the Elector of Mainz's lower court in the Middle Ages, but was later converted for private residential purposes.
So this is say 2 hours. Yeah, it's a 2-hour tour. So I won't be able to video this whole thing. The boat is pretty empty because it's winter season and not a lot of people come out at this time, but during the summer days it's usually way busier, way more people, very crowded. So currently it's only 5 of us who's on the boat, so very spacious, and as you can see it's pretty empty right now. There's also a second floor. You want to go to the second floor, but this is the inside of the boat. There's the stairs. Yep, there's. This is to go upstairs. I'll just take a little walk up here just to see what it looks like upstairs. There, as you can see, yep, pretty empty. Would go outside, but it's very cold right now, and I left my jacket downstairs. Let's see how cold it is. We'll see right here. It's actually 33 degrees.
Auf der rechten Seite sehen wir das Städtchen Lorch mit der Burgruine Nollich. Sie stammt aus dem 14. Jahrhundert und war kein klassischer Rittersitz, sondern Teil der Stadtbefestigung. Übrigens, das Gelände um die Ruine zählt zu den Lebensräumen mit der größten Artenvielfalt in ganz Hessen.
On the right, you can see the small town of Lorch and the ruins of Nollich Castle. The castle dates from the 14th century, yet was not a conventional knight seat, but rather part of the town fortifications. By the way, the area surrounding the is one of the most biodiverse habitats in the whole state of Hesse.
Yeah, way too cold for me to stay outside.
Vor uns am linken Ufer steht die Burg Fürstenberg. Der Erzbischof von Köln ließ sie Anfang des 13. Jahrhunderts zur Sicherung seiner
Actually had snow
Zollrechts
yesterday.
400 Jahre später
Apparently they don't get a lot of snow here in Frankfurt, from what I was told.
der Ort Rhein
But yeah, it was snowing yesterday.
Ahead on the left bank,
about half day. So we head back downstairs.
To protect his possessions and tighten his tall walls. It was destroyed 400 years later.
The restrooms.
The town of Rhine lies at the foot of the mountain.
Got 3 folks here from Taiwan. I will probably make a second video later on today, rest of the trip. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the Rhine Valley Tour. It's actually 2 hours. I think I said that before, I'm not sure. So hour and a half one way, then they turn the boat around and go back 30 minutes, and that will be our point where we get off. So it actually looks like they're turning here maybe for another pickup, or not sure. Maybe it was 30 minutes this way and an hour and a half the other way. I don't remember, something like that. But either way, it's the whole tour is 2 hours. So yeah, we're actually turning around. So we're going heading back in the other direction. Yeah. Okay, guys, enjoy. Any questions, leave me a comment. See you now. See you. Bye.